What's up everyone? Welcome back to Jack Up Your English, and of course it's time again for phrasal verb of the week. Yes, and our phrasal verb this week is put off. So another great phrasal verb we can use. And I know for a lot of students phrasal verbs are a thorn in the flesh, but today we'll remove one of those thorns because we're going to look at 5 different meanings of the phrasal verb put off and also some sentences so we can understand it more clearly. So yeah, let's not waste any more time. Let's get right to it. To postpone doing something, to move something to a later time. And yeah, this one we will most usually use in like a business concept where you move a meeting to a later time. Let's go look at an example. They put off the meeting until Monday. So yeah, very clear to see there. We moved the meeting till a later date. Let's move on. Let's go look at the next meaning. To delay doing something, choosing not to do something now because you are not in the mood. So yeah, so this one is more related to maybe your personal life, you know. And a nice word we can use there is to procrastinate. Yeah, when you leave everything till the last minute, you don't really want to do something. Let's go look at an example. Ben keeps putting off going on a diet. Yeah, he keeps postponing it. He keeps pushing it till a later date. We can also talk about maybe putting off going to the gym. Yeah, so this one more related to our personal life. Well done, let's move on. Let's go see meaning number 3. To dislike something, to cause a negative reaction or to lose interest. So this is quite a common one. I think we use it quite often in daily conversations. Let's go look at our example. His rude behavior really put me off working with him. So clearly explained in that example. So yes, his rudeness, his bad behavior, it put me off. Let's look at our next one. To distract someone, to make it difficult for someone to concentrate. And again, I think like the previous one, this one is also quite common. Let's see our example as well. The loud music put me off while I was studying. So yeah, yet again, a great example on how we can use put off as a phrasal verb. So 4 different meanings we've looked at so far. Before we move on to number 5, if you like this content, please like and also subscribe to the channel. That would be great. But let's move on and let's go look at our last example of the phrasal verb put off. To discourage someone, to make someone not want to do something anymore. I think we've all been in a situation like this, but did you use the phrasal verb put off to express your opinion? Let's see how we can do it. Getting food poisoning put him off eating seafood. So again, of course, if you got sick eating something, it would definitely put you off from doing it again. So yeah, so another great example of our phrasal verb put off. So there you have it, 5 different meanings of our phrasal verb and 5 different ways that you can better express yourself. So remember them and please make use of them in your daily conversations. Well, that wraps it up. Quite a short video today, but as always, thank you so much for watching, for liking, for subscribing. We'll see each other in the next one. Bye-bye.